Good morning guys, this is Leslie of Succulent Social, and today I thought of making a video to show you how we make succulent favors, which is actually the biggest portion of our business would be making succulent favors such as this. So I'm gonna walk you through the process of doing that, and we do have an order today of 300 units of this, and I'm gonna show you how we do it step by step. So the first step of the process, of course, is to create the pots. So here would be the hexagon pots that my husband Alfred makes. If you want to know on how to create hexagon pots as this, which is made of concrete, we do have a video for that. I'm going to put a link up here so you can also have a look. We do have different shapes of pots. We do have the hexagon. I also have some cube. I also have some like a tube one. So basically he makes all of this, and then we wait a couple of days for them to dry up. We remove them from the mold, and then they will become something like this. This is how they would look like after we remove them from the molds. So they will be looking a little bit still moist, but we just continue to dry them a few more days, and then we also take the time to put the drainage hole at this point. It's just easier once they're a little bit softer and not as hard. And yeah, we'll wait a few more days and then we'll clean them, and then after that we will put in the plants. We are here in our backyard where we plant all the succulents. So basically they are planted in this tube tray, and once we let them root in here, once they have rooted, then we can actually pick them up and plant them into the pots. Now they will have like a root ball like this, which is what we wanted. We only used rooted and established succulents in our bombonieres, or the favors. And yep, so we wanted them to have a root ball like this, so it's easier for us to put them inside the pots. So as you can see, we try to put in a lot of different varieties per order because they're just very colorful, and these are good conversation pieces during, you know, as a display during weddings or or baby shower. Your guests can actually talk about them, different colors, different style, different varieties. So it's a good kind of an icebreaker, and they really look good as an array of varieties and color. So here is a selection of what I've already picked, and I am actually going to pot them into some of the concrete pots that are already prepared. I'm just drying them because it rained quite a bit the past few days here in Melbourne, and it kind of gets messy when we put the root ball into the pots with wet soil. So I'm trying to dry them up a little bit before I plant them. They look really pretty, and as I mentioned, different varieties, different array of colors. This is an example of a beautiful bin patties, and we're just gonna put them in the pot like that, still with roots, and you can just add in a little bit more soil just to seal it a bit. And then just to make it really clean, we have now put a little bit of pebbles as well on top, just so they're really clean looking. So from here you could do a lot of things. You could actually put some tags in there just to personalize it. You can put them in a box, you can put them in a bag. Yeah, the possibilities are endless. I'm sorry, my hands are really dirty. Yeah, but I still got a long way to go to complete that order, but I think these are all looking good. So yeah, that's it. I just want to show you today how we prepare these orders and what you can do about them. If you have any questions, please drop by at the comment section, and have a good day, everyone.